celebrating our sponsor, PetSmart's 7 millionth adopted pet. Take a look at Daisy. She found her forever home. We had her on the other day with the McKenzie family from Staten Island, New York. Isn't she so sweet? This weekend is National Pet Adoption Weekend at PetSmart stores. So PetSmart is offering a free Adopting Pet Parents. This kit will go to you if you adopt. It's similar to the one that we have right here on our table. You can just bring in your adoption papers to a local store and you'll receive that whole kit full of coupons, free services, tips, all that for your new pet. It is such an exciting morning.